Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. Today we will see a video related to GSEB Solutions Class 9 Social Science Chapter 16 Climate Question 3. So let's solve question 3. Question 1 and 2 we have already discussed in my previous video. If you want, you can subscribe my channel and go through the videos. The first question is, due to which reasons does the phenomena of change in season occur? So, revolution of Earth around the Sun is one of the main reasons for change in seasons. The axis of the Earth is tilted at 23.5 degree and makes an angle of 66.5 degree with the orbit. Seasons are also caused due to the axial tilt. Regions receiving more sunlight experience summer, while regions receiving less sunlight experience winter. Sun rays fall vertically over Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December, so the southern hemisphere experience summer and northern hemisphere experience winter. Hence, nights in India are longer and colder. The sun rays are perpendicular over Tropic of Cancer on 21st June, so the days are longer. Rotation and revolution of Earth have a direct impact on the food, clothing and residences of man. Winter, summer and monsoon winds affect the weather and give peculiar characteristics to it. Second, state briefly the factors affecting climate. So factors like temperature, atmospheric pressure, winds, humidity, rain, etc. on the surface of the earth that control the distribution and amount of elements of climate are called climatic factors. The first one is latitude. Sun rays fall vertically over Tropic of Equatorial regions, hence it is hot throughout the year. India is divided into two zones of different climatic conditions, that is torrid zone and temperate zone. There is a distance of about 111 kilometers between two latitudes, so the type of climate on the Earth's surface changes according to the latitude of the place concerned. Thus, distribution of element in climate mostly follow latitudes. Next, distance from sea. Water and land have different capacity to conserve and release the solar heat. As a result, coastal regions experience temperate climate, while the climate becomes continental in the interior places away from the sea coast. Thus, the climate of Mumbai in India is temperate as it is near the sea coast, while it is continental at Nagpur or Delhi as these places are far from sea. In normal conditions, as we go higher, air temperature decrease at 1 degree Celsius for the ascent of 165 meters or by 6.5 degree for ascent of every 1000 meters. As we go higher from sea level, air pressure and air temperature decrease. Due to the high altitude, the Himalayan peaks remain snow-covered throughout the year. Moist air cools down when it rises and gives rain with increasing altitude of mountains and rainfall increase. In mountain regions of Assam and Meghalaya, rainfall increase with increasing altitude. Next is altitude. In normal condition, as we go higher, air temperature decreases at 1 degree. Next is atmospheric pressure and winds. India falls in the path of northeast trade winds. These winds originate due to the tropical high pressure belt in northern hemisphere. These winds deflect due to the Coriolis force and blow towards equator. These winds blow over landmass. They contain less moisture, but due to the vast water mass located to the south of India, the winds contain moisture and bring rain in India. During winter, high pressure develops to the north of Himalaya. Cold and dry winds from this region blow towards oceanic area where low pressure is created. These winds tend to blow from Indian Ocean to low pressure in North India. Thus, these winds contain moisture and bring rain in India. The third question is, write notes on the cold weather season of India. In India, the 3 months duration from December to February is considered as winter. In this period, the sun shines vertically over southern hemispheres between 22nd September to 21st March. India is situated in northern hemisphere, so it is under the influence of less heat of the sun rays and less temperature is experienced. Winds blows from northeast direction from Central Asia. These winds are dry and cold, so the weather also remains dry and cold. The sky during this season generally remains clear. Next, northeast India remains comparatively cooler as it is far away from sea. It has some parts of that is a desert. During winter, this region develops high pressure and this deflects the winds. For example, in Delhi, the temperature during winter often goes 10 degrees Celsius during winter and it remains 16 degrees Celsius in Allahabad and 18 degrees Celsius in Kolkata. At this time, the temperature in Himalayas is much less. The January temperature of Shimla, Darjeeling is around 5 degrees Celsius. After the snowfall in Himalayas, the cold and heavy winds rush towards the North Indian plains. As a result, this plain along with Gujarat and Rajasthan are under the grip of cold waves. Temperature decreases suddenly and frost in some areas disrupt the cotton crop. Temperature does not fall below freezing point during winter except for the high mountainous regions because central Himalayas obstruct the extremely cold winds coming from Central Asia and protects India from severe cold. South India is situated in torrid zone. It has a peninsula shape. Its inner area is not very far from sea coast. So this area does not feel severe cold like the northern India during winter. Temperature also does not fall. For example, the temperature at Kochi during January is around 26 degrees Celsius, Madurai is 25 degrees Celsius, Chennai is 24 degrees Celsius. Hence, temperature decreases going from south to north. In India, winter is considered to be very pleasant and healthy season. Days are shorter and nights are longer and cooler. In winter, drier winds coming from over landmass generally do not bring rain, but northeast winds coming over Bay of Bengal contains humidity. This gives more rainfall over the Coromandel coast. Northeast gets some rainfall due to the western disturbance and thunderstorms. This rain is very useful for rabi crop in Punjab and Haryana. These winds bring rain in Gujarat occasionally. This unseasonal rain in Gujarat is locally called Mathu. Fourth question, describe the effects of climate on human life. Irregularity of rainfall has resulted into inadequate agriculture productions. Farmers have to depend on rainfall for irrigation. The beginning as well as ending of rainy season is uncertain, hence unavailability of rainwater at right time affects the crop production. Sometimes there is a downpour of rain when it rains too much in shorter time. As a result, crops are destroyed. Rivers get flooded and cause soil erosion, which is long-term reduced crop productions. As the farming is seasonal work, many agricultural laborers migrate to cities. Due to irregular rain, some agro-based industries face problems as they do not get their raw material like cotton, sugarcane, tobacco, etc. Problem of drinking water also becomes acute due to the irregular rain. Life in desert or mountainous regions becomes full of hardships. This climate directly affects people's food, clothing, occupation, etc. So this was question 4 of GSEB solution for class 9 social science chapter 16. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.